Let's say you're Randy. Randy posts a harmless picture of him and his son at the shooting range. Karen sees Randy's post on social media, calls local state agents to report suspicions that Randy may be a risk to the community. Biased state agents look at Randy's social media's posts and use newly granted red flag powers to claim that Randy is a dangerous threat. Without allowing Randy a defense, state agents and the local court determined that it's okay to confiscate his guns and use deadly force. Randy is awakened at 3 a.m. by loud crashing noises, flashbangs, and death threats while his wife and son scream in terror. Randy is murdered while instinctively trying to protect his family. Folks, my name is Paul and I am IPAC instructor. Red flag laws cause a lot of trouble. And in fact, the governor of California has just called on folks to utilize red flag laws and cause a horrific situation of swatting. Why? Because yesterday, a retired police officer walked into a restaurant bar. Now, it was a very busy restaurant bar. There was multiple birthday parties going on, bands playing. And in fact, on the restaurant's website, it welcomes children. So it should be a friendly environment. This man had a beef with his lover, and he essentially opened fires on the crowd. Folks, all the anti-gun legislation, the assault weapons ban, whether it be in Illinois or in California and other states, they always seem to violate equal protection clauses. Such as in Illinois or California, you or I, a civilian, cannot own a so-called assault weapon. However, there are exemptions for law enforcement, licensed security. Folks, how is it that some individuals have the right to be in possession of so-called assault weapons, not have to register, be in compliance with the law, but others don't? It's funny how anti-gun groups are often in support of so-called assault weapons, but they're cool with big bro, big government having it. You know, they keep calling them weapons of war. Why is it that the civilian cannot have a so-called weapon of war, but it's okay for law enforcement or contractors to do so? Are we at war? Why do they need such weaponry? But it's not for you or myself. The governor is calling on people to use red flag laws to prevent incidences as what we experienced yesterday. I call Boulder Dash once again, Mr. Governor, as regardless of how many laws you have on the book, evil is going to find a way. I say it over and over again. You know this. I know this. It's about control, ladies and gentlemen. And if you can't see through that, I will continue to hammer it away through this channel. Like it or not, repeating myself or not, I will continue to push it. Red flag laws don't work. So-called assault weapons bans do not work. Evil will always find a way. So I appreciate you tuning in. I love you. I thank you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And as always, remain safe.